I'm going to be talking about environmental crises and social response. This is module 6 of the series on climate change and environment. These environmental crises have been developing over many, many years. Since India started industrialization in the 60s and 70s, our air quality, water quality, land availability, all that have been impacted. But it has accelerated a lot since climate change started happening early 2000 or late 1900s. So these crises are things that we have to take care of to preserve our quality of life on this planet. And these crises provide us an opportunity. For example, I was reading a book by Padhu Padmanabhan called First Fuel. And he says that the oil embargo that happened in the 1973-74 time gave an impetus for the government and industry both to work on energy efficiency and ways of finding new sources of energy and starting to solve the crisis. So whenever a crisis is upon us, human ingenuity has to take over. And once we have the will, we can solve it. So my talk is about how we, as a society, are going to respond to these environmental crises that are facing us. So the 4 crises that are impacting us today are air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Actions can be taken by each citizen, by local, state, and central governments. I will emphasize those actions in this presentation. How did these crises develop? The number of vehicles on our roads have increased significantly, has led to deterioration of air quality in many cities all over India. Industrial pollution has also increased since many small and medium-scale industries, SMEs, do not have expertise or funds to install air pollution control devices. Population increase also, along with migration of people from villages to cities, has exacerbated this problem. Overbuilding in all cities has reduced the floodplains, and many lakes have been filled with dirt to create more land. This, along with the discharge of municipal and industrial waste into water bodies, has created water pollution in many areas of India. Improper disposal of solid waste and discharges from landfills and industries has contaminated soil in many cities and rural areas.